Hi, I'm Kenyatta.donley and welcome to my channel. If you're new around these parts, thank you for checking out my channel. Certainly please like and subscribe. On this channel, we talk all things real estate, investing, and entrepreneurship. As part of building my business and working to fortify wealth, I recently became a licensed real estate agent. And here in Pennsylvania, when you become a licensed agent, there's a whole process, and I'll do a video on that at some point. But when you become a licensed agent, you have to hang your license somewhere, which basically means you put your license with a broker who then commits to overseeing and mentoring you for the first few years of your career. You can stay with them, or at some point you can even become your own broker. But it's part of the state real estate law that you have to work under a broker. And this is just to make sure that you're following all the laws, you understand, all the regulations and, everything that you need to know about, practicing real estate sales compliantly, as well as like all of the civil rights rules and regulations and anti-discrimination. So it's just the way that the state ensures that, once you've passed your test and the letter of the law, there's still some body or agency kind of overseeing you as you begin to grow your business. So when I passed my test just a few months ago, I decided to hang my license with a company called EXP. What's unique about EXP is the first, I don't think they're the only at this point, but they're the first cloud-based brokerage. So most brokerages, they're either large national brokerages or they have some, smaller local brokerages, typical brick and mortar locations. With a lot of the larger national ones, they're independently owned, almost like franchises. There's an office, there's a head or a lead broker that you work under. You go into the office, there's teams and, resources and a building and, all the stuff that comes with traditional brick and mortar business. With EXP, each state has local brokers in the different areas, but the organization itself is cloud-based. So all of the resources in terms of agent support, in terms of your training and your onboarding and your ongoing network, everything is cloud-based. So it's all in a virtual world. So even when you go to do your training and onboarding for the organization, you go into this virtual world called EXP World, where you have an avatar and you're able to talk to people, but it's in a virtual community versus going into a brokerage office. This has a lot of benefits, especially if you already have a full-time job and you're starting real estate part-time, because a lot of times when you work in a regular or traditional brick and mortar brokerage, a lot of the trainings are in the office, and they're in the office during specific times and specific days. So if you have a day job or even another business, you kind of have to work your schedule around getting into the office or getting to the brokerage to do your various trainings and things. Whereas EXP, it's all cloud-based, it's all virtual, so you can certainly join a lot of these trainings in person and live as they're happening, but then they're also recorded, so you can go back and access them anytime or access them when you have time, in your schedule. So that's super helpful. So there's a lot of things that just spoke to me about EXP and their setup and their more technology-based approach to doing things. And again, I can do a whole video on just EXP, but that was the reason why I joined EXP. So as part of your onboarding process, you go through a lot of trainings, one to teach you about the basics of, being a real estate agent, and also to teach you about the basics of being an agent within EXP specifically. And as part of that process and program, there's a welcome kit. So they have a a marketing website as part of their platform. And then they also partner with other vendors to provide you materials and resources that you may need as an agent. So this package is actually provided by one of their vendors, but as a new agent, you get a code so that when you place your order for your package, you put in this discount code and it ends up being free and with free shipping. So I know what they told me was going to be in here. There's a couple of things that you're able to personalize. And then other things are more generic. But again, it's supposed to be a kit to kind of welcome you to EXP and give you some basic materials to get you started as a new agent. So I am going to unbox this on this video. I have not opened the box at all. So I'm going to be opening it with you all and surprised or not surprised, depending on how nice the items are as we open it. So, of course, cool EXP branding. It's my understanding this branding actually changed in the last year or two. Before it was like a blue and a gold kind of branding palette, and they went with this more modern, sleek looking EXP with the black and white knockout lettering, which I actually like. I have a marketing background, so I'm super into branding. So let's see what we have. A lot of packaging to keep it safe. That's all the packaging. Kind of doing this with one hand, so let's see how this works out. Oh, look at that. So a nice EXP mug, which is interesting because it seems to take a pull at the old branding colors, at least, with the new branding look and setup. So that's pretty cool. I'm a sucker for mugs and I'm a sucker for branding. So I definitely like having a mug to be able to rep my new business and my new agency. Here's a little welcome to EXP Realty and getting started. So this kind of tells you, looks like it tells you a little bit how the commissions and everything works. So you can see right there, I didn't really get into it in this video, or I didn't intend to, but this just shows you some of the costs versus some of the other brokerage companies. I think I know what that is. So I'm going to save that. And here's a cool letter from the CEO. I should have said that also when you receive this box, there's a QR code on the side of the box. I can't find it now. Oh, here it is. There's a QR code on the front of the box, and it actually had a video from the CEO welcoming you to EXP. This looks like it appears to be presentation folders. Let's see if I can open this up with one hand here. All right, nothing in them. So it's just presentation folders. So I guess once you get your materials and things, you'll be able to put those in these folders when you're meeting with prospective clients. And then this should be my business card. So again, as part of this package, I think you got 250 business cards free to get you started. So you were able to personalize those. They had some set templates that you could use. So you basically just had an opportunity to put your name and your phone number and all that kind of stuff on there. And I think if you use one of the paid templates, or if you have a paid order, you have a few more options for templates. But for the free option, there were only a few different template options, which is fine. I mean, you can't complain about free, right? And like I said, it's just something to get you started. But, oh yeah, they're still pretty nice. I'm not on camera, but that's what I look like. So this is me, Kenyatta.donley. Has all my information there, my email address, my website, which is actually provided free by EXP, my email address, which is provided free by EXP. And then on the back, you'll see EXP's branding, as well as my personal branding for my company, which is just Kenyatta.donley Realtor. That's it. So looks pretty good, pretty happy. Always like free, they're good quality cards. So I think this will be good to get me started and get me on my way in my new real estate career. So that's it. So I just wanted to share this little unboxing with you. I'm going to go back and read some of this stuff in more detail now that I have it all open. But just one of the cool things that comes with being an EXP agent, just the beginning of the support that they provide for you as a member of their brokerage. So that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, or if you want to continue to watch, more information or content coming from me about my real estate investing, as well as now my sales career, please like and subscribe, share your videos, put in the comments if you have any questions about things that you'd like for me to do videos about. That'd be super helpful as I build more of this content out. Thanks.